Blackout Bingo not opening on iOS 18 is usually worth troubleshooting in the app itself before deleting it, because force closing, updating, restarting the iPhone, and checking storage can fix startup problems without removing your local app data. By the end, you'll know the safest order to troubleshoot Blackout Bingo on an iPhone running iOS 18. First, completely close Blackout Bingo. Swipe up from the bottom of the iPhone screen to open the app switcher, find Blackout Bingo, and swipe it away. Then, open the app again. This gives the game a fresh startup, instead of continuing a failed session. Next, open the App Store and search for Blackout Bingo. If an update button appears, install the available update before changing other settings. An updated app can contain compatibility fixes for the current iOS version. After updating, restart your iPhone. Turn the device off. Wait for it to shut down completely. Then turn it back on and launch Blackout Bingo again. A restart can clear temporary system processes that may interfere with an app opening. If Blackout Bingo still will not open, check your iPhone storage. Open Settings, select General, then iPhone Storage. If the device is nearly full, remove unnecessary files or apps and try launching Blackout Bingo again. Limited storage can interfere with app updates and temporary files. You should also check your internet connection. Try opening Blackout Bingo while connected to Wi-Fi, then try mobile data if available. If the app only fails on one connection, the problem may be related to that network, rather than the iPhone or the game installation. If Blackout Bingo opens briefly and then closes, check whether another update is available in the App Store. Also make sure iOS 18 itself is updated to the latest version available for your iPhone. Avoid deleting Blackout Bingo as the first fix. Before reinstalling, make sure you know the login method connected to your Blackout Bingo account. If your account uses a supported sign-in method, use the same account after reinstalling, so you do not accidentally create or access a different profile. If the app still will not open after these checks, contact Blackout Bingo support and report the iOS 18 startup problem. Include your iPhone model, iOS version, Blackout Bingo version if available, and what happens when you tap the app. The safest order is: force close Blackout Bingo. Check the App Store for an update. Restart the iPhone. Check storage and connection. Then verify iOS is updated. If it still crashes or refuses to open, contact support before repeatedly deleting and reinstalling the app. Like this video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.